Hey, what's up, guys? We have a men's Rayalty diamond watch. All natural white diamonds on your entire bezel, dial, casing, as you can see. Very flashy. Swiss movement works 100%. Mother of pearl dials. Casing's approximately 45 millimeters wide. No diamonds missing, as you can see. I would recommend a new gasket just to hold the movement in place correctly when you're changing the time. Here's your back casing. Aftermarket leather band. This watch is for sale. Once again, this watch is for sale. If you're interested, let me know. My number's posted on the bottom. For those of you who have yet to do business with me, just know I only deal natural diamonds. So make sure you hit me up.